So my name is Gaurav. I'm from Comdain. I head up the infrastructure and support team at my organisation. So we've been using Desktop Central for the last 12 months. Previously we used to use a product called VNC, and what we found was it was very clunky. Used to cause a lot of difficulty for being a technician and for my other technicians as well to assist the end user to be able to resolve their issue. And with Desktop Central, what we noticed was it was very reliable, for one. Second, it was very efficient and it's very user-friendly. There's a whole heap of tips and tricks that's available by the left pane, and it's definitely made our job extremely user-friendly, I'd say. It helps us work more faster and obviously at the end resolve the issue for our end user.